We know the world is watching. It is eagerly waiting for the results. We cannot let this moment of opportunity slip away. IUCN World Congress on Conservation provides a splendid and timely opportunity to act on some of the most critical issues affecting us and our planet. The good news is that effectively addressing climate change, biodiversity loss, and land degradation, for example, will generate multiple benefits for the well-being of the society. After all, it is our future, and everyone has a right to live in harmony with nature.